Hello everyone, thank you so much for clicking on this video. I made this delicious toast recipe for breakfast and I thought to film the process and share with you all. I really do hope you enjoy watching. My name is Oge and you're welcome to my kitchen. Let's get started. For this recipe, you'll be needing about 1.5 cup of all-purpose flour. I sifted my flour off camera. I always emphasize on the need to sift your flour before you use it for baking or whatever. To that, I went in with half a cup of sugar. I added 1 egg, a pinch of salt. I added 1 cup of liquid milk. You can go in with powdered milk if that is what is available to you. I also added a teaspoon of baking powder and a teaspoon of baking soda. For flavor, I decided to go in with cinnamon, but you can switch it up by going in with any flavor of your choice. After adding all the ingredients together, I use my spoon to mix that. I'll mix until it comes together and then I'll start going in with water. I'll add the water a little at a time until I achieve my desired consistency. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. If this is your first time here, a warm welcome to you. My name is Oge. I'm a Nigerian YouTuber based in Abuja, Nigeria, and this is the place to be. If you're someone that enjoys trying out new food recipes or you enjoy cooking and you're looking for ways to make it fun, then this is the channel for you. Please do well to subscribe and also turn on post notification to be notified of new videos. You're going to get value for your time. To my amazing and returning subscribers, you guys are the absolute best. Thank you so much for always coming back to watch me. You guys are truly the best and I'm so grateful. This is the consistency I have after mixing for a few minutes, and this is what you should go for. A batter that is not too runny and also not too sticky. You just want a batter that is somewhat in between. The next step is to transfer the batter into my toaster and toast. But before I do that, I'm using margarine to grease my toaster. This is just to prevent the batter from sticking to the sides of the toaster after it is done toasting. So after rubbing my margarine generously on the toaster, I'll proceed to scoop a generous amount of the batter into the toaster, cover, and I'll let it toast for a few minutes. If you're interested in watching short videos that are a minute long or less, kindly check out my pages on other social media platforms. I'm active on Facebook, Instagram, and on TikTok. And the handle to search for is Oge Anyoko on these platforms. Oge Anyoko on all platforms. So it will be very easy for you to find my pages. Please do well to check out my pages, follow me, watch my videos, like, share, and leave me comments in the comments section. After toasting for a few minutes, I went back to check on it, and guys, this is what we have. This tasted super good. This tasted more like a cake. I think that is what I would call it, a cake. It tasted super nice, and this is perfect for breakfast. I'll repeat the same process until I exhaust all my batter. If you enjoy watching vlogs, please do well to check out my vlog channel here on YouTube at I am Oge Anyoko. I post lifestyle vlogs that are engaging, interesting, as well as relaxing. They can help you relax. So please do well to check out my vlog channel as well. Like my videos, subscribe, and then turn on notification bell. I'm done with the toast and I want to have it with some eggs, fried eggs. I've just added 2 fresh eggs into my plate. And for seasoning, I went in with a little bit of pepper. This is grounded cayenne pepper. I added a pinch of salt to taste, a little bit of all-purpose seasoning and parsley flakes. But you can always season your eggs to your taste. After adding all the seasoning, I whisked the eggs properly, heated a little amount of cooking oil, and then introduced the eggs into the oil to fry. I love to fry my eggs until they are golden brown, which means I'll fry the eggs for about 4 minutes, 2 minutes on each side. I'll fry one side for about 2 minutes, and when that side is done, I'll flip over and fry the other side as well. This recipe is very easy, filling, and also super yummy. My eggs are ready. Breakfast is served. Thank you for stopping by, and I would love to see you all on my next one. Bye.